What's up YouTube, my name is Jay and welcome back to Nose on Crack. Now, I'm a huge God of War fan, so today I got this bad boy. PS4 Pro God of War limited edition. So we're just gonna unbox it and see how beautiful it is. So let's crack it open, guys. This is the quick start guide. Next we have the power cable. This is the USB cable for the controller. Now we have the controller. Honestly, I really like the design, the color. Yeah, I found it really pretty, guys. Now it comes with those mono headsets that I really don't like. Honestly, I don't know why Sony keep putting this one, but I think it's better than nothing. Next we have the HDMI cable. Next we have the game. I can't wait to play this one, guys. I saw a lot of reviews and I'm really excited to play it, especially when he gets his Blade of Chaos back. Oh man, it's gonna be fun. Now we have the PS4 Pro itself. Let's just admire this guy. Man, what a beauty. I like the design, honestly. Yeah man, I really like it. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. Drop me a like, subscribe if you want, et je vous dis à la prochaine les amis.